Welcome to ChatGPT Marketing for Beginners. I'm so excited to have you here because this is a revolution that will be televised right in front of our faces, and you guys have taken the first step, which is one of the most important steps to the rest of your life. Yes, I know it might seem crazy, but AI is being touted as the next big thing next to electricity. Like, I really want you to sit with that for a second, right? Like, AI is going to be the next big invention, just like electricity. So I felt like there was no need to wait on a class like this. My name is James Marquez from Legacy Business Partners. My goal of this Chat GPT Marketing for Beginners class is to empower you with knowledge and information to give you the confidence to go out into your industry and dominate the marketplace. I did a whole live workshop on this, which you can get on my YouTube channel. I'm breaking this down into parts. So you're going to see me skip through some sections. Today, we're focusing on what is ChatGPT. And so today we're going to talk exactly about that. So if you have no idea or maybe a little limited knowledge about what ChatGPT is, we're going to talk about it right now. ChatGPT obviously is artificial intelligence. It's a language model developed by Steve Altman. OpenAI is the name of the company. It generates human-like text based given on prompts and text. So this is about marketing. Obviously, you can get into music, you can get into development, real estate, law, all different types of things that ChatGPT can do. But today we're focusing on how we can use it for marketing purposes to grow your business in a very quick way. And so, what are some of those ways we can use ChatGPT right now? Well, one of those ways is content creation. You can create emails, scripts, text messages, landing pages, websites. The list goes on and on with the capabilities of ChatGPT. Personalization. You can tell ChatGPT, I want you to write an ad campaign for a pizzeria that's in the Bronx, New York, at X, Y, and Z location. And it'll give you scripts. It'll talk about the park that's down the street. It's all different types of things that it can do for you there to make it personalized to your customers, to your location, to your industry. It's amazing. Something else that it does is customer support. When you think about chatbots, when you think about being able to write scripts and automate that whole process, it's very important to growing and scaling a business quickly, especially in times right now where, are we in a recession? Are we in a depression? No one really knows, but one thing's for sure, AI isn't going anywhere. And so, in being able to implement that in your customer support strategy is going to be very important for you. Market research is another really good way to use ChatGPT, whether it's getting summaries of events, books, magazines, publications, whether you want to do market research on different locations, cities, communities. Market research is another amazing way that you can prompt ChatGPT to get some awesome information. You can even, it reads websites, so you can give it links, different things like that as well. Also work when it comes to ChatGPT. Let me see where we at next. Oh, I do want to caution you. Have to caution you. I cannot continue talking about ChatGPT marketing without talking about the misinformation that it can sometimes give you. So you have to be careful with the information you get back. Sometimes it's not always correct. You also have to worry about plagiarism, and then you can get very generic answers and repetitive answers, and you can start to see the bot the more you use it. So prompting is going to be very important when it comes to using ChatGPT. In fact, it's the number one thing that you could do when it comes to ChatGPT is understand how to prompt. And we'll get into that a little bit later, so don't worry. We'll talk about prompting, but I do want to just make sure you understand about the misinformation, the plagiarism, and crazy generic answers that you may get from ChatGPT. The other thing that's out there is AI bots that are able to spot work that comes from ChatGPT or other AI platforms. So you also want to keep that in mind. They're called AI detection bots. So sometimes you may want to run your content that you created from ChatGPT through another software, maybe like a Quill bot or something like that, or just rewrite some of it. That part is totally up to you. But I will tell you, Marketing has forever changed. It's changed forever. I promise you. There's this new thing called prompt engineering. And it's about, can make around $350,000 a year by prompt engineering. It's considered one of the hottest tech jobs that companies are looking for right now, to be able to train and adapt AI tools so that you can get the most out of them. And again, like I was saying, understanding how to troubleshoot, because you may get some generic answers, you may get some misinformation. And so having prompt engineers is this really new concept that's hot, that's out there right now. And you can make some crazy money with prompt engineering. So if you're thinking about making a career change, which you don't have to do, that's one of the other things that the reasons why I'm doing this class is because, people are worried about losing their jobs. They're worried about the value that they're going to bring to their jobs. And so, AI can enhance what you do. It can make your skill sets even better. So that's why I applaud you guys for being on this call, because this is the first step to being able to confidently move into the marketplace using AI tools to your advantage. And with that being said, there are other tools out there that you can use outside of ChatGPT that I just quickly want to touch on, because this marketplace is wide open. This is the new Wild West. Right Sonic is an amazing software where it does everything in real time. One of ChatGPT's knocks is the fact that it doesn't do anything after 2001. So this allows you the opportunity to be able to get current information. In fact, there's also some plugins you can use for ChatGPT to also have it give you real-time responses, which we'll talk about later as well. But Jasper AI is another really amazing software that you can use, similar to ChatGPT. Comes with a lot of different templates and this boss mode, which is really cool. It's a little pricey, but definitely worth every penny. Copy AI. I love Copy AI. This Copy AI software has tons of tools, a lot of templates for you. If you kind of don't want to do all the prompting or don't have the time for all that, Copy AI already has tons of templates in there already for you. Again, a little pricey, but definitely worth every penny. Go GPT is another really cool AI software like ChatGPT that connects with Google. I highly recommend you guys checking these out. And this does it for what is ChatGPT version. This is the marketing aspect. Catch the other videos that I've posted. You can also get some amazing tools on our website. We have the ChatGPT Marketing Bundle that comes with assessment tests. It comes with like a 5-week guide that steps you through each process, understanding your audience, because that's very important. When you're trying to create a marketing message or funnels, different things like that, your understanding your audience is going to be very important to how you prompt ChatGPT. And there's even an ebook with tons of marketing prompts. The most important ChatGPT marketing prompts you'll need, from email to SEO, social media, product launches, everything is there for you. Go check it out on my website, legacybusinessinc.com. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get to them as soon as possible. And as always, I thank you guys for rocking with me.